Here are the top 5 advanced React interview questions to take your understanding to the next level. These are designed to test your knowledge of deeper React concepts and patterns, so let's get right into it. Question 1. How does React's concurrent mode improve user experience, and what changes does it require in a React application? Concurrent mode is an advanced React feature that enhances the user experience by making rendering more efficient and responsive. It allows React to interrupt a long-running render to handle high-priority updates, like user inputs, quicker than without it. This means that apps can feel faster and more responsive, even during heavy operations. To leverage concurrent mode, developers need to adopt certain patterns like using Suspense for data fetching and understanding how to use the use transition hook to manage transitions and prioritize updates. It's a game changer for building interactive apps that remain smooth under pressure. Question 2. Can you explain the use of Suspense in React and how it complements concurrent mode? Suspense in React is a mechanism for handling asynchronous operations such as data fetching or code splitting in a more declarative way. It allows components to wait for something before they can render, showing fallback content, like a loading spinner, in the meantime. Paired with concurrent mode, Suspense enables smooth transitions and fine-grained control over the loading experience, making it possible to create highly responsive apps that handle loading states gracefully and efficiently. This approach simplifies code and reduces the boilerplate associated with data fetching and state management for asynchronous operations. Real quick, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button to let YouTube know it should recommend this to others as well. Question 3. Discuss the concept of server-side rendering in React. Why is it used and what are the benefits? Server-side rendering is the process of rendering a React application on the server instead of the browser. This technique is used to improve the initial load time of the web pages, making content visible to users faster than before. It also benefits SEO, as search engines can crawl and index fully rendered content more effectively. Server-side rendering can lead to a faster perceived performance and better user engagement, especially on slow networks or devices. However, it requires additional setup on the server side and careful consideration of how to handle data fetching and client-side hydration to match the server-rendered content. Question 4. Explain the principles behind React Fiber and how it affects the way React updates the DOM. React Fiber is a complete re-implementation of React's reconciliation algorithm, introduced to enable asynchronous rendering. At its core, Fiber is a virtual stack frame mechanism that allows React to pause, resume, and prioritize work based on the importance of updates. This flexibility improves the performance of complex apps by breaking up rendering work into small chunks and managing them more efficiently. Fiber supports features like concurrent mode and Suspense, allowing React to update the DOM smoothly and respond to user inputs with minimal delay, enhancing both the performance and user experience of React apps. Before we cover the last question, don't forget to subscribe for more React content. Question 5. How do custom hooks enhance the functionality of React apps, and can you provide an example? Custom hooks are a powerful feature in React that allows developers to extract component logic into reusable functions. By encapsulating and sharing logic across components, custom hooks promote code reuse, simplify complex components, and enhance readability. For example, a custom hook called useFormInput could manage the state and validation of form inputs. This not only reduces the duplication of stateful logic, but also makes components cleaner and focused on their primary function. Custom hooks represent a shift towards a more composable and functional approach in React development, enabling developers to build apps that are easier to maintain and scale. Brush up on your React fundamentals or check your knowledge about React hooks by watching one of these videos next.